Sialkot, Pakistan, a city that might not be on everyone's radar, but it plays a crucial role in the world of sports. You might not know the name, but its impact is felt globally. Chances are you've kicked a football that was made here. This city is the king of football manufacturing, producing millions of footballs each year. It makes almost half of the world's footballs. From local parks to grand stadiums, Sialkot's footballs are everywhere. That's right, nearly half of all the footballs kicked in parks, stadiums and backyards come from this one place. It's a remarkable feat for a single city. Sialkot didn't become the football capital overnight. It has a rich history that spans over a century. This title is the result of over a century of hard work and dedication. Generations of craftsmen have honed their skills to perfection. Sialkot's football journey is a testament to the power of craftsmanship and global trade. The city's commitment to quality and excellence is unmatched. Let's learn how it all began. Join us as we explore the fascinating story of Sialkot, the heart of football manufacturing. The story goes back to the British Raj. British soldiers stationed in Sialkot loved playing football. They needed someone to repair their leather balls. Enter the skilled craftsmen of Sialkot. They were known for their leather work. They took on the challenge and excelled. Word spread about their quality. Soon, Sialkot was making footballs for everyone. By the 1980s, Sialkot was a major player in the global market. The city shifted from hand-stitched to machine-made balls. This change increased production and made them more affordable. Some big names in sportswear noticed Sialkot's game. The city, already renowned for its craftsmanship, caught the eye of global giants. Companies like Adidas and Nike partnered with local manufacturers. These collaborations were more than just business deals. They were a fusion of expertise and innovation. These partnerships brought new technologies and designs to Sialkot. The factories began to hum with the latest machinery, and the designs became cutting-edge. They also boosted the city's international profile. Sialkot was no longer just a local hub, it became a global player in the sports industry. One of the biggest innovations was the introduction of the thermo-bonded ball. This technology revolutionized the way footballs were made. Unlike traditionally stitched balls, these are made by fusing panels together with heat. This method not only improved durability, but also enhanced performance. This creates a smoother, more predictable ball. Players found that these balls offered better control and consistency on the field. The 2006 FIFA World Cup used a thermo-bonded ball made in Sialkot. This was a significant milestone showcasing Sialkot's craftsmanship on the world stage. A proud moment for the city. The success of these footballs not only brought fame but also inspired further innovations in the industry. The football industry is a lifeline for Sialkot, a city renowned for its craftsmanship and dedication to quality. It provides jobs for thousands of people directly and indirectly, supporting families and communities. From factory workers to leather suppliers, the impact is huge. Each football represents the hard work and dedication of many hands. The industry also brings in valuable foreign exchange for Pakistan, boosting the national economy and fostering international trade relations. But it's not just about money. The football industry has a deeper significance for the people of Sialkot. The football industry has brought social change too, transforming lives and communities. It empowers women by providing them with job opportunities, allowing them to contribute to their households and gain financial independence. It also motivates young people to learn new skills and contribute to the economy, ensuring a brighter future for the next generation. The future of football manufacturing in Sialkot is bright, with continuous innovation and a commitment to excellence. It's a testament to the city's resilience, adaptability, and passion for the beautiful game, reflecting the spirit of its people. So next time you see a football match, remember the city that made it all possible. Remember Sialkot, a city where dreams are stitched into every ball,